Alright guys, I have an interactive source for you which is known as insert learning. So this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to Google insert learning and then click on the very first link. Once you've done that, you will see an option that says add to Chrome, it's free. I want you to click on that and then you will sign up with Google. Choose your account. I'm going to choose another account of mine so I don't show up as a teacher. Then you will click on I am a student and then they will ask you for a class code. Now if you go to Class Dojo, you will see a post in which I have posted your class code for insert learning. If you are in 7th grade in Miss Ross's homeroom, your code is B5RVJ1. And if you're in 8th grade Science Miss Fiore's homeroom, your code is YMZTX1. Now please look at your own class code in Class Dojo and then enroll. Now once you've enrolled, you will see a lesson that you had to do. When you click on it, it will take you to a PDF. And then once you complete the reading, you need to answer these small blocks. Now I finished my first paragraph. Now I see a question. From what you've read so far, what are invasive species? And then I answer it. And then that's it. Okay, and then I'll leave it as done. And then I click on the other box that says, how does competition affect native species in a given region? And then I type, okay, maybe there's less food for survival. And then I post it, okay? And that's how you're going to do readings from today. I hope this makes sense for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Now remember, you have your own code on Class Dojo. Use that code to enroll in the class, all right? All right, thank you.